What's going on, Chemical Guys family, and welcome back to Detail Garage. Today we have a brand new detailing or accessory must-have that you guys are going to want to check out. But before we do that, we're going to jump on this wash, so let's get started. So we just finished washing this Honda using citrus washing gloss and our 2-bucket method. And if you're unfamiliar with the proper washing techniques, we have tons of video on our channel, so be sure to check those out. So we briefly glazed over that, but we're moving on to what's really important. And if you didn't know, 95% of the scratches and swirls in your vehicle are caused during the drying process, so it's important to have a super plush towel, which is why I'm really excited to introduce our brand new Megalodon ultra-plush twisted loop towel. 24 by 36 ultra plush towel is going to help pick up any of those little water droplets for a streak-free finish, but also the super plush pile is going to ensure a scratch-free shine. So we're going to jump right over here on the hood and I'll show you just how easy it is to use. So there's two methods. You can simply lay it onto the vehicle using the pat method or the drag method, but you can see how just easily it picks up all of the water drops for a beautiful streak-free shine. And again, this is going to be a great way to reduce the chances of inducing any kind of scratches or imperfections on your vehicle while quickly and easily picking up those water droplets. This way there's no chances of any kind of staining or damage to your vehicle's paintwork. The twisted loop design is also great for a streak-free clear vision on your windshield, restoring beautiful clarity in one pass. This saves you a lot of time and effort, but you can just see how easily it picks up all of the water, and again, giving you beautiful crystal clear glass or beautiful shine all around your vehicle. Guys, you see just how easy it is to safely dry your vehicle using the Megalodon. That twisted loop pile not only safely removes any kind of water droplet, but it holds over a gallon of water, which means it's going to save you time and effort. We just dried this entire vehicle and it still has more to give, so we're going to jump on another vehicle. But in the meantime, you guys can check out the Megalodon on our website, chemicalguys.com, or your local detail garage. If you guys like today's video, be sure to give it a thumbs up, and we'll see you next time.
Right, big, 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 big.